welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog is another unboxing.
Yes, and I'm here.
Yeah, so we got this product from
YOKEKON.
Yeah, I don't know if that's how you read it. YOKEKON or YOKEKON. It's actually an ultrasonic humidifier. So guys, we'll show you the unboxing first, like taking out all the materials in the box and assemble it. I don't think it does.
Is
it
it?
need
I don't know. It has to be assembly.
But we'll show you, and also we'll also show you how it works. Huh? Are you excited for the humidifier?
Yes.
Actually, it's good if you have a humidifier inside the house as well. So we'll see you later.
Gosh, I do need it.
Hey guys, so we're back. I need to tie my hair. It was quite difficult to take it out of the styrofoam thing. Okay, so this is how it looks like, the YOKEKON. My husband is actually on the side. Can you move a bit here, babe?
It's okay.
Okay, so it has user's guide, and it also has a remote, which my husband said that it's good because you don't have to walk and press it.
Yes.
Yeah. So in the user's guide, there are actually components here. So this one is the cover, the black one, and this one is the LED display thing, and this one, as you can see, there's actually a max level of 16 liters.
Oh, how much water?
How much water you're gonna put. And also, yeah, this part here is the water tank.
Yes.
And the mist will go out from here. And don't worry, we'll show it to you later. And you can also put the essential oil tray. Okay, so this is the handle area. This is the power cord as well. This is Australia.
Yes.
Oh, what is this one? And yeah, so the main body, which you will actually take off, this one. Can you take it out there? Yeah, that one. And it has a water pipe. Oh, wait. Take this one out pala. So it has a pipe here. And it has also this one is a spray tube. This one, and a pipe, look. And a tube. And it also has a UV lamp water outlet, a fan or outlet float, and an atomizer. So we're gonna assemble it, and we'll see you guys later on. So we just discovered that you can actually use this pipe, like the spray tube up here, up in this thing, but you have to take the nozzle here in this area here. And since we don't want to actually target it somewhere, we just want it everywhere at the house, you can use that one. And you can also add essential oil.
Yes.
So that your house will be smelling good. So it's good to have a humidifier at home. And yeah.
Look guys, there's smoke coming out.
So this one is the nozzle. You can take this one out and put the spray tube. And it goes back here. So you can adjust this one to which area and this one here, which is good as well. And overall, at first it was a bit complicated.
Really, you just have to add water.
No, like we're just afraid to
fill it to the top.
yeah, fill it to the top, or
there
like
is a max level.
how like if we're gonna put water here as well, so you have to put water for both of it. Am I right? So this part here.
Oh, you fill it from the top, yes.
And then
you fill in the bottom, and also
you
there's a component at the top where you guys
need to put water.
need to add water if it's less water. And there's also different functions here, which you have max, min max, power, timer, humidity, UV, and sleep.
Yeah, and you can use the remote, the same thing as how it operates from here, as you can see here, and the remote has the thing here.
Yes.
So which is good. When it comes to maintenance, it's also easy. You have to just pull it apart. We got a free sponge.
Free sponge as well.
Yeah. So you just have to tilt it and pour the water. So you tilt this part here. So from here. And then this below, you can clean it. So you don't have to really, it's not really a hassle. You can just wipe it. Oh, it feels so nice. I want to put a essential oil, babe.
Yes, it'll make us sleep.
Yeah. It's good that if you have like someone who is asthmatic, it's good for them as well. Because you need a humidifier. And overall, how do you like it, babe?
Well, we have to test it.
I do like it. The assembly thing, it was okay. But maybe we're just afraid because it's kind of like another technology for us. And yeah, it's quite good. I don't think we will use this one, but if you guys wanted to use this
yes,
is
to
a
direct
spray.
it to different areas.
Yeah, so you can use a spray spray pipe. And I think that is it.
Yes, guys. So please share, like, and subscribe. And thank you again,
YOKEKON.
YOKEKON.
This is a really good product, you know. You can, by the way, guys, we'll put the link below in our description box. It's on Amazon. You can actually order it on Amazon. They got a lot of varieties or like different types of humidifier and products from YOKEKON. I'm sorry. So you can check it there. And guys, we'll see you, baby,
in the next one.
Goodbye.
Bye.